If you've lost your phone icon or basically any other icon from your home screen, do not panic. I'm here to help you. So, first of all, phone is a built-in app, so it couldn't be deleted. Then most likely you accidentally removed it from your home screen and it's right here in your app's screen. So how do we get it back? Simply hold your finger on the icon on the app screen and simply drag it back to home screen to which position you desire. For example, standard lead here, so let's bring it back here. As you see, as well as our messages are missing, so let's open up our app drawer, let's grab our messages and let's drag them back to the position where they belong. However, if you're tired of this classic position and you want to rearrange them, for example, you want to remove your internet icon from here, simply hold your finger, move it to other spot, and it's gonna be here. It's not going nowhere. Don't worry. If you want to be gone of it completely, hold your finger on it, press remove, not uninstall, keep in mind, just press remove, and it's gonna be removed from your home screen to your app locker, and that's how it's done. All the things are rearrangeable. For example, camera, you don't want to have it here, you want to have it on the first screen. There you are, boom, now you have camera, and now you'll have your gallery here, for example. That's how you do this. And basically, that's it. I really recommend you to try it out yourself, experiment, try different variation. The phone is yours and it's only for you to decide. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.